Om Shanti, 12th June 2020. In today's Babdada's Sakar Murli, Shiv Baba has talked about the faith and intoxication that we children should definitely have on this confluence age. And likewise, in few days back in Murli, Shiv Baba said that we can consider only those children to be on the confluence age who are busy and indulged in remembering the Shiv Baba, the Father, the Almighty Authority, and thereby following all the Srimat guided by Shiv Baba without mixing our own intellects and minds. So the faith and intoxication that we should have is we belong to God's community. In other words, we are godly children. Like Shiv Baba says, this is your student life. You have to study as long as you are present inside this body. So keep studying till your last birth. And when you will be taking the next birth, that is when you will be taking the next life, so there won't be any requirement of reading Murli or relating Murli or remembering or meditating or anything like that. But instead Shiv Baba will grant the inheritance, the constant inheritance without any effort for 20 births. But in this one birth, we are supposed to be a very sincere student and thereby take the inheritance of knowledge in this very precious 21st Sangam Yugi birth. Shiv Baba says, you should not commit any mistake. You should not have any devilish traits. And for that, it's important to make progress. It's okay if some mistake has been committed by you. But Shiv Baba says, keep progressing. He says, become a server and do altruistic service, which means you should not expect anything in return. If you're serving, then there should not be any intention of receiving something back from the one whom you were serving or are serving. Like Shiv Baba says, very little time is left. Destruction is standing just ahead. Bombs are being prepared. And with one bomb, it is very enough and capable, sufficient enough to destroy the entire city. So in order to witness such situations, it's really important to go beyond this old world. Because with the third eye of science, we can see that destruction is final of this world. Shiv Baba says, remain introverted, which means keep looking at yourself. Because there is no point in looking what others are doing or what others are thinking. If you're doing that, then actually you're killing your own time or wasting your time. Shiv Baba says you should help those who are wandering or becoming beggars. The real beggary is of that of mind. He says you should not cause any mischief to anyone. You should control your all physical senses. In this one birth, when we'll be controlling our senses, when we'll be deciding not to do anything which the old sanskar or old habit is forcing us to do, then only we can have 20 births in Satyug and Treta Yuga of constant and stable state. He says Maya completely finishes off good children, or when we mix our own minds in the knowledge of Shiv Baba. He says make very excellent effort because you have the power of silence. The world is having the power of science, but you have the power of silence. They are busy in creating something that can be destroyed. But you are putting effort to gain something that is eternal. So there is the vast difference between the power of silence and power of science. Shiv Baba says, we children know the complete geography and history of this world. But how much benefit are we taking out of that? There is no point of reading that worldly history unless and until you don't have to appear in some exam. But reading this history of this world cycle will change the lives. It can entirely change the life with the knowledge of drama. Like Shiv Baba says, everything is perfect. You cannot expect a better drama than what is happening in front of you right now. And this doesn't mean that we are using the law of drama when everything is going on track and we are keeping ourselves away when drama is not in according to our planning and plottings. Shiv Baba says that you children are my property. He said, you children are my property. You have so many people in your life. You remember so many worldly people in your life. but I just remember you children. So this thing is full of love. This one statement is engrossed with the love of Bap Dada. So Shiv Baba says, forget this devil world. He is so much concerned about us. He says, no matter how great a position someone may have in this world, but if someone is not able to understand the real Godfather, then that intelligence is not worth, because everything is just temporary. And that's why he says that he is sitting here and explaining us everything. So when there is peacelessness, then only sorrow is experienced. So it's important to be stabilized in this word Om Shanti. That is, Om means I am and Shanti means peaceful. So Om Shanti.